Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the firebolt off and removing the strap. That exposes the 4 rear screws. Use a precision #00 driver and a plastic pry to lift the back. Work slowly to avoid tearing the gasket. Once the back is off, photograph the board and connector layout so you can restore them later. Make sure you wear an ESD strap and clear a non-conductive work surface. Next, remove the battery connector with tweezers and set screws aside in order. You now inspect the board and flex cables for corrosion, lifted pads, or cracked traces. This is the middle of the repair where most fixes happen. Use a multimeter to check battery voltage and continuity along key flex lines. If the battery reads under 3.7V, replace it. Once done, gently clean contacts with 90% isopropyl, and when needed, reflow cold SMD joints sparingly. Make sure to use a fine-tip iron and minimal heat to avoid delamination. You finish by reconnecting the battery and flex cables using your reference photos, then reseat the gasket and replace the backplate with screws tightened just to finger tight. Avoid over-torquing. Once assembled, power on and run a full functional check. Touchscreen response, Bluetooth pairing, sensor readings, and charging behavior. Charge to full to confirm stable battery performance. If something still fails, double-check connector seating and test with a known good battery. If problems continue, seek a micro-soldering professional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.